Theatre of the Oppressed, originally developed out of Augusto Boal's work with the Brazilian peasant population. Theatre of the Oppressed, also known as TO, is now used all over the world for social and political activism, for resolution of individual and group struggles, community building, therapy and treatment, and in the making of government legislations. What we know of is that theatre of the oppressed is developed out of practice of theatre application with Brazilian farmers, Brazilian peasant population. So this is not a theatre based on the story a playwright developed. This is a theatre that collects stories from population, from people, and not only stories, but also invite all of these people into the theatre space. And the purpose of it was to, or is, for social and political activism to resolve or to heal or to bring a change of individual and group struggles, community building, therapy and treatment, and in the making of government legislation, which means that this theatre helped government to form laws on the basis of the studies applied theatre to the groups or communities or populations where suffering occurred because of X, Y, Z reason. So new laws must be informed by the oppressed people and their stories and how resolutions can be reached. Theatre of the oppressed is neither theatre as entertainment nor theatre for propaganda. So this is another important information about theatre of oppressed. It is neither theatre as entertainment nor theatre for propaganda. It is a form of popular community-based education. So this is a popular community-based education, which is based on the vision of Paulo Freire and his landmark work on education, pedagogy of the oppressed. So now this is another important aspect about theatre of the oppressed, that Paulo Freire was a Brazilian educationist, educator, philosopher, who worked with the populations of erstwhile slaves of the colonized period, and to educate them was a project for him in which he had to understand these people who had been colonized and their languages, their cultures, and their community sense was destroyed by colonial powers, and building everything in them by using their leftover experiences and their psyche, their mind that was full of suffering, painful memories. So for them, Paulo Freire developed pedagogy. Pedagogy means teaching methods, how to teach, teaching method or syllabus of the oppressed. That the people who were oppressed and did not get themselves into, could not get themselves into mainstream, what should be their syllabus, what should be their education. So that is why now, so Paulo Freire's pedagogy of the oppressed was reused by Augusto Boal in his application of theater to education. So neither entertainment nor propaganda, but taking a very different purpose up, which was education. So theater of the oppressed, therefore, is a very positive application of theater and is loved, exercised, and further developed by different practitioners all over the globe.